Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Servants Beats. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, click notification bell. And today we are going to be making this simple yet mature beaded necklace. This is a unisex necklace, but most people say guys don't wear beads, and I am here to prove you wrong. Also check out the tutorial for that carry bracelet as well. And without further ado, let's just get right into the tutorial. Now for the materials for this bag, you need lobster clasp. We're going to need a carry, two sizes of jump rings. I have a bigger and a small size here. I have that small round stopper bead right there, and I have 12mm round beads in the color black, obviously. So I'm going to start with the bigger end of the lobster clasp. I'm just trying to remove the smaller end and keeping it, and then I'm going to get one of the jump rings right there. I'm going to open it up. Guys, look for pliers. I have lost my pliers, so I am using my scissors to open up the jump ring, and I am going to insert that jump ring into the hole of the lobster clasp, and I am going to close it shut. And the next thing I am going to do is to insert my fishing line. By the way, I'm using a 0.60 fishing line, but I'll say you use a 0.25 to 30 because it is more flexible and it will cause your necklace to be loose and not too stiff. Yeah, so I'm just tying the fishing line to that jump ring right there, and I'm going to tie it 2 times, and I'm going to leave that end a very sort of a long end, and I'm not going to cut it immediately. Now I'm just going to say that if you want to make a necklace, especially for a guy, I'll say you should go for a necklace that is 22 inches long, like, yeah, so it won't be too tight and it won't be too loose. So with these beads, I used 23 beads on each side. So I first of all started by inserting 23 beads. Now depending on the type of beads that you're using, your beads placement or number is going to be different. If you're using smaller beads, obviously it's going to be more, but just make sure it's 11 inch on one side and 11 inch on the other side, so that it gives you 22 inches. Yeah, so I have my 23 beads on my string here, and what I am going to do now is simply so I'm just measuring it, and I have 8.5 inches long. I have 8.5 inches long. Then I'm going to insert that stopper bead, and I'm going to make another 8.5 inches long, and that is going to make it 17 inches. So like I said, if you want to make a normal size men's bracelet, 22 inches is better, but I made mine 17 inches long. It's still a good size, but I'm just saying 22 inches is better. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the remaining 23 beads on the other side of my fishing line. Now that I have all my beads in place, I am going to insert the other end of the attachment of the lobster clasp, and I'm not just going to simply attach it like that. I'm going to add 3 more jump rings, because just inserting that lobster clasp in like that is going to cause discomfort when it's time to clasp the necklace around your neck. So make sure you have like a chain of of jump rings, so that it's going to make it comfortable and easier for the person who's to clasp it around their neck, so they won't hurt their fingers. So yeah, so I just inserted the jump rings and made a chain with them. Then I am going to simply take the other end of the jump ring and I'm going to put it on the other end of that lobster clasp right there. And what I'm basically going to do is to tie the fishing line to the other end of the lobster clasp. Guys, this tutorial is very easy. You just need to watch it to the end. It's not that difficult, and you have a mature, nice, beachy looking sort of necklace, which is unisex. But like I said, most people don't believe guys can wear beads, so I'm here to say that guys, you can definitely wear beads, okay, and look good. So this is it, and I'm just going to tie it around. For all the new people on this channel, I just want to say welcome. Please make sure you subscribe to the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video, and please make sure you leave me a comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the video. If you want me to recreate something in particular, let me know down in the comment section. And to all my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for continuing to support me. I appreciate you guys a lot. Yeah, so I just tied it off there. Then I'm going to tuck in my fishing line, and tucking in my fishing line, I am just going to push it down the beaded through the beads downwards. You never want to cut your fishing line where you have knotted it. Don't ever try that. It's going to end up being a disaster. Yeah, so this is what we have right now, and I'm simply going to move that fishing line downwards. I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. So I went to the other side and repeated the same thing. The extra end of the fishing line there, I just went downwards and I cut off the excess fishing line, and the cord part or the rope part of our necklace is done, and soon it'll be time to add the accessories. Okay, so now that we are done with our cord part of our necklace, it's time to add a little accessory in the middle. And to do that, I just got the bigger jump ring, which is gold. I just wanted to add a hint of gold to this. I attached it to the cowrie, like you see me do there. Then I am going to close it up with my scissors, or if you have pliers, go ahead and use your pliers. I apologize for working out of the camera. Then I'm going to take the smaller jump ring and I'm going to attach it to the bigger jump ring right there, and I'm going to attach it to the end of that little stopper that we had at the middle of our that inserted in the middle of our cord. Then I'm just going to close it up, and that is basically it. It is very simple. So this is a necklace. If you have any other accessory or anything you like to add instead of a carry, go ahead and add that. But this is how I decided to do mine. It is nice. I get beachy vibes from it. So this is how it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, click notification bell, and yeah, so that's it. Tell me what you think down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.